Warm greetings to all the viewers. My name is Gargi Vaidya and I would like to present my project titled Development of a Jewelry Try-On Application Using Machine Learning and Computer Vision. I completed this project while I worked as a machine learning and computer vision intern at Shilp MIS Technologies, alias Melzo, which is an augmented reality and virtual reality based software company in Surat, Gujarat. This is the design flow of this presentation, where I will throw some light on the problem statement, the adopted approach, followed by its results and the demo of the application. So we are almost halfway through 2021 and it already feels as if the future has arrived even before someone actually realized it. The technologies that once were just a dream are now at the fingertips of people. It is a very well said quote that since we cannot change reality, let us change the way we perceive it. And this is exactly what has bolstered the rapidly growing fields of augmented reality and virtual reality. In these recent times of the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic, various industries have sought to innovation by leveraging these constantly evolving technologies and taking a majority of the customer services online. However, the jewelry stores are witnessing no footfall even during the peak wedding seasons and festivals. The reason being, of course, the inability to visit the stores in person. Working at a company which is based in Surat, also known as the Gems and Jewelry Hub of India as well as the Diamond City of the world, I was inspired to develop this virtual try on service so that the jewelry showroom experience could be taken to an online platform and we could also provide the customers a more immersive service. This not only boosts the sales of the jewelry but also accounts for offering various other benefits like reduced operational costs, ease and comfort of the customer, and a much wider and global reach. There are two major tasks that were worked upon. First was to create a basic jewelry try-on algorithm using various computer vision techniques. It is responsible for detecting the key points and augmenting various jewelry like earrings, necklaces, nose jewelry, and rings. Second was to create a deep learning based model which automatically removes background from the jewelry images, which can be integrated with a try on application for a more holistic and efficient user experience. Focusing on the first objective, the entire pipeline followed has been illustrated in the figure at the bottom. The first task was to develop a facial landmark detector for extracting facial key points. Next, an algorithm for the hand and finger detection was developed, followed by augmenting the jewelry at these key points with the help of a web-based API. For the facial key points, the detector model was developed such that the face is localized first and then the required landmarks are obtained corresponding to the nose, ears, and the neck. This is a small demo of the required key points being extracted in real time. We can see that the blue dots, they are corresponding to the earrings, the green ones for the nose pin, and the pink ones are for the necklace. Next, for the ring finger detection, a concept called convexity defects was used. Convexity defects, or the red points shown in the video on the right, are the deviation points of a convex hull from a contour. As shown in the video on the right, we can see that the green continuous line, it represents the convex hull, and that in the blue is the contour. The second video in the bottom is a demo for the ring finger detection in real time for augmenting the ring. After integrating everything in a Node.js API, the following was the outcome. The user can upload a jewelry image of his choice, but the prerequisite is that the image should be without any background. Once the image is uploaded on this platform, the user can experience the virtual try-on. This video is a prototype of the product which was developed, which is currently named Noor. As seen in the previous slide, uploading a jewelry image without the background is a prerequisite for trying on the jewelry. However, the background removal process is very tedious and time consuming if done manually using tools like Photoshop, as the jewelry has a lot of intricate details. Also, there isn't any open source online tool which is available that can accurately remove background from these jewelry images. For jewelers who produce as many as 1000 designs on a weekly basis, this is a very important issue to be addressed. This brings us to the second objective of this project, which is to develop a deep learning based model for the automatic background removal from jewelry images. First step in the approach was to study the available conventional methods like Adobe Photoshop and Remove.bg along with their drawbacks. Next, I utilized various pre-trained models like fully convolutional networks, DeepLab v3, boundary-aware salient object detection networks, as well as UNet for separating the background and the foreground. However, the results obtained weren't very promising. Since our use case is very specific, I decided on developing a deep learning model from scratch which can be trained exclusively on a versatile dataset of jewelry images for the semantic segmentation task. As this problem statement has not been worked upon earlier, there were no readily available datasets, so we decided to create our own data from scratch. This was the most time-consuming step of the project pipeline, as apart from collecting the data, the corresponding ground truth was also to be developed using the conventional methods. Initially, 301 necklace images with white background were obtained from a jewelry classification dataset. These images were further expanded by giving different colors to the background to eliminate the bias in the data. Later, an image scraper was created using Selenium and Beautiful Soup. Newer images with heterogeneous backgrounds were also added later on. And finally, a few more jewelry images were obtained which were mapped with 20 different textures. All these images summed up to a dataset of almost 10,644 images along with their corresponding ground truths. This is a generalized representation of the deep learning model that was developed. Due to the constraints derived from the signed NDA with the company, the details cannot be shared, but the basic working is such that once the model is trained using the developed dataset and its corresponding ground truth, it can then further remove background from any kind of an unseen image of jewelry. The trained model achieved an accuracy of 95.11% on the validation data, and the loss results are as tabulated. On comparison with the conventional methods, which took almost 45 to 60 minutes per image for this task, the pre-trained model can remove background within just 5 seconds when run on a GPU and at max 10 seconds on a CPU. This is the history of the accuracy and the loss over 100 epochs while the model was being trained and validated. These are a few of the results obtained for minimal and thin sorts of jewelry images. These are the results obtained for a little more complicated jewelry images. And these are the results for the images with reflections and complex backgrounds. We can observe that in almost all the cases, the model has given noteworthy results. This slide is a demo of the Flask API that was developed for the automatic background removal service. It takes approximately 8 seconds to do this task. To cap it all, this slide demonstrates the final outcome of the project. First, the background from any jewelry image can be removed using our model as shown on the left, and the video on the right shows how these can be tried on in real time on a smartphone using Noor, the developed virtual try-on product. There are various other approaches for virtual jewelry try-on that are out in the market right now, but some require the user to place themselves in marked areas, which makes the experience very static, and also other approaches leave it up to the user to remove background from the uploaded images. At this point, I would like to highlight the unique selling point of this product, Noor, which offers the automatic background removal along with an interactive virtual try-on. This project can be classified as a good outcome of the confluence of augmented reality and artificial intelligence, which was capable to take the jewelry industry to a more immersive and interactive virtual space. In order to enhance this project, e-commerce integration and data analytics for personalized recommendation of jewelry can be good future steps. I feel proud to share that this project contributed to the final product Noor, which was launched recently on 13th May 2021 by Melzo, and it is out in the market currently. These are some of the references that I have referred to for the presentation. Thank you.